So to create location document, open your Notes client. On the lower right part, click the 8 locations and then click New. Put the desired name of your location document. For my end, I will be naming it HCL. And then leave the rest by default on location type and put your email address. And then leave the rest by default. On the servers tab, put the dominant server name. And then leave the rest by default. On the ports tab, make sure that the TCP IP is checked. On the mail tab, make sure that the mail file location is correct. And also, the mail domain is correct. And leave the rest by default. On the replication tab, check the replication is enabled for this location. And leave the rest by default. On the advanced tab, click the user ID and locate your mail file ID. On my end, I've saved it on the desktop so it will be easy to locate. And then leave the rest by default. For the admin tab, make sure that you are the correct owner and admin and click OK. That's all. You have created your new location document and click OK.